now. Sick.
The GTS series is the first time we have set out to create a performance-oriented product. You have double the torque headroom as you do on a regular GT. This really is the ultimate one-wheel experience. It has the low-boy foot pads, it has the performance treaded, it's got the 113-volt drivetrain, different motor, different battery, different controller, and that's what really pushes it over the top and makes it our new flagship. One of the most exciting things about the S-Series development process was getting a number of the world's top one-wheel riders to come to Santa Cruz and test ride prototypes of it.
That's fucking.
The goal was really to see what they could do with more power, with more speed, and with more dynamics. That performance is amazing, it's addictive, and once you ride one, there's no going back. S-Series is a sub-brand, it's a line that represents the pinnacle of one-wheel performance.
Faster, lighter, lower, and factory tuned for next level performance. That's the Onewheel GT S-Series.